Did you miss your deadline to renew your Medicaid coverage? You can still send your completed annual review form to Healthy Connections Medicaid. You may be assigned to another health plan, but you can ask to come back to First Choice within 60 days of renewed Medicaid eligibility. It's your family. It's your choice. First Choice is the right choice. Renew and choose us. Visit selecthealthofsc.com/renew to learn more.
Interpreting at the UN Week. The United Nations General Assembly, UNGA, opens every year on the third Tuesday of September. That week is called the UN Week. World leaders travel to New York City to attend regular sessions of the Assembly. September is probably the busiest month for the UN, when a series of high-level sessions attended by heads of states are organized at the UN headquarters. There are also hundreds of side events organized by multiple UN agencies, partner NGOs, individual governments and corporations. New York is home to some of the best conference interpreters in the world. The UN has staff interpreters, accredited interpreters, and contracted translation agencies. But it won't be easy to find an available interpreter in New York, if you haven't booked them on advance. English to Spanish, Arabic, French, Chinese and Russian are of the highest demand because these 6 languages are official languages of United Nations. American Sign Language or International Sign Language interpreters are also much needed for inclusive meetings. If you are attending or organizing an event in New York during the UN Week, make sure to book your interpreters and interpreting equipment well in advance. Also make sure to obtain security badges for your interpreters if you need them at the UN headquarters. During the UN Week, some parts of the First Avenue will be closed, several streets leading to the UN campus may be closed. If your team is lucky, you will have a room at the Millennium Hilton New York 1 UN Plaza, which is across the avenue of the UN headquarters and behind the security cordon. Dragoman holds an LTA, long-term agreement, with the UN for on-site interpreting in 11 languages. Feel free to contact us when you need a conference interpreter, sign language interpreter, or interpreting equipment in New York. Our team and local partners in the USA will do their best to make your event a success story.
Hello, it is Ryan, and we could all use an extra bright spot in our day, couldn't we? Just to make up for things like sitting in traffic, doing the dishes, counting your steps, all the mundane stuff. That is why I'm such a big fan of Chumba Casino. Chumba Casino has all your favorite social casino-style games that you can play for free anytime, anywhere with daily bonuses. That should brighten your day a little. Actually, a lot. So sign up now at ChumbaCasino.com. That's ChumbaCasino.com.
No purchase necessary. VGW Group. Void where prohibited by law. See terms and conditions. 18+.